Hi guys, welcome back to Fixing It. Today we're going to change the fog light bulbs on this Lincoln MKZ. Start by popping this cover off. Get yourself a trim tool like this one. Put it in here and pop this off. Okay, this is your light assembly. It's being held down by two clips, one there and one there. And what you got to do is push this one down, this one up at the same time, and pull out. So squeeze them. This is loose. All you have to do is push the whole assembly over to get it out of there, okay? Okay, pull out the assembly. And now you're going to disconnect the bulb. Just press on this tab and pull out. Next, unplug the bulb. Just twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. As you can see, this bulb had better days. All right, guys, H11 is the bulb you need. I happen to have a spare one. Just insert it into the housing. And always wear gloves when you do this, because if you touch these with your bare hands, you're going to mess them up, okay? Once you got it into the housing, twist clockwise to lock in place, and you're all done. Plug in your bulb. All right, guys, to install the light assembly, you're going to put in these tabs behind this piece here. And then these clips are going to go into those two holes, okay? So slide this two tabs behind here. Slide it over to the left. And that's it. Next, install the cover. You're going to put in this side first. Like that. And then push it on this side. That's it. Okay, the bulb on this side is working, but there's water in the housing. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm just gonna take it apart, remove it, drain it, put it back together. Check it out, guys. Looks like the sealant on this side is fine, but on this side, look, looks like that's where the water is coming in. So I'm just gonna throw a little sealant in this, throw the light bulb in, throw it back together. That's it, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.